on just behind these boards. We have the absolutely fantastic Lewis Bonfire Society. World famous, the Lewis Bonfire. Everybody loves that whole thing. And they'll be dressed as Zulu and Colonial, and they have blue white striped jumpers. They have their event on the 4th of November this year, and everybody knows about Lewis. It's the biggest, it's the best, but only for a few years, these boards. What do you reckon? Give it up, everybody, for Lewis Bonfire!
Maria, before the night's out, I want your signature.
Following Lewis, we have Hailsham Bonfire Society. Victorians, they have absolutely stunning in their outfits. They have great jumpers. They've got their event in 2 weeks' time. If you're around, you've enjoyed yourself tonight, go and join Hailsham Bonfire Society on the 21st of October. Everybody give it up for Hailsham! Following on from Hailsham, we have Busting Bonfire Society. They are stag warriors and huntsmen. They're a newly formed society, and we thank them for coming out and seeing us for tonight. Give it up for Busting! Valencians and sailors, and they're in dark blue and gold striped jumpers. They have their own events in the village as well. They come out and see us, they do a few other events. Fantastic. Give it up for Phil! Southside for Bonfire Society are with us tonight. You can see that they're dressed in fiery buttons. There is the red and black striped jumpers. And their event is also on the 4th of November. So if you don't want to go to do it, Southside is absolutely fantastic bonfire. Great thing to see. Superb evening. Southside Western, North American Indians. They hold their event on the 28th of October. They have a superb carnival right the way through Littlehampton. Everybody has a great time. And they have a massive bonfire. Give it up for Littlehampton! Don't forget to give it up for our drumming crew. Coming down. We've got everything on. You can see they're dressed in red and green. And dry rebellion. And they're part of Royal Bonfire Society. They look fantastic. They're sounding tonight. Give it up for them. Then kick yourself down the battle. They have a superb night out. Give it up for Battle Bonfire! Following that, we have Royal Bonfire Society. They're in their red and black clothing. They've got their event on the 11th of November. Royal Bonfire Society got an absolutely superb show. We've got massive bonfire. Give it up for Royal Bonfire! Following them is the Royal Rebellion. They're drummers. Superb! Next we have South Street Bonfire Society. Their pioneer, Guy Fawkes. And he is the king of fireworks and gunpowder. Give it up for Guy Fawkes! We were all be here. They're wearing their brown and white striped jumpers. Again, they've got their event on the 4th of November. They come along as part of the Lewis celebration. Give it up for South Street Bonfire Society! Following them, we have Shady Bonfire Society. You can't miss them. They're in the gold and green striped jumpers. They look superb. They'll be holding their event on the 11th of November. Again, it's absolutely superb right now. You can see your mouth going. It's superb. Shady Bonfire! How we doing the drummers? Fine, how we should be ready for section 5. Looking at them in their top hat sales. Looking superb. We thank all the drummers for coming along tonight, taking this absolutely superb evening, as well as all the bonfires tonight. And all you people, we really appreciate it. Up next we have Upfield Bonfire Society. Dressed for a great night. You gotta love the Mexicans. They held their event on September the 2nd. So remember, it's one of the early Bonfire Society ones, that one. But it is an absolutely fantastic night out. It really is. It's a great time. It's a great fireworks display. It's a superb bonfire. Give it up for Upfield! Following them, we have Crowborough Bonfire Society. Dressed as some early Eastern choice. We love outfit to wear. Navy blue and white striped jumpers. Again, they have their event on the 4th of November. Give it up for Linfield Bombard Society! Following them is Glenstick in their blue and green striped jumpers. They have their event on the 21st of October in Glenstick. They put on, again, a superb bonfire, a really good show. They're Glenstick. Enjoy yourself tonight, think up that night up. Get over there. There are superb people. Lovely. Give it up for Glenstick! Following on from there, we have Lewis Bonfire Society. They're red, black striped jumpers. They hold their event on the 28th of October in Newry. Again, a fantastic thing out. And then, we thank all the other guys for the good night. They call us Give it up for Lewis Bonfire Society! They're coming through. The whole procession. Coming back up the next. Give it up, please. The Kingsford, very nice, Raven. Big Summit! As on the bus, as top roller, as on the arm rally. And if you ever see these things with a Kingsford Bonfire Society badge or banner above it or our flag, please give money. That place for this event tonight, we really, really thank you for all your donations to the money. We really do. Without you, this event would not happen. It's all paid for by donations and by raising money and by money that's raised inside Bonfire Society. And everybody inside Bonfire Society has worked hard all year to put this on. So listen, can I give it up for the Kingsford Bonfire?